Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about unable to upload new products, Amazon error code 8566 solved. Let's dive in. Dealing with Amazon error code 8566 can be a real headache, especially when you're in the flow of uploading your products and then, bam, you hit this roadblock. But the good news is that it's actually a pretty common issue and fixable once you know where the problem lies. Now, this error usually pops up for one of two reasons. First, it could be related to the history of your account's sales. Let's say you're a newer seller or haven't sold too many products yet. Amazon sometimes restricts the number of products you're allowed to list until you build up a solid track record. Amazon has a system that monitors your selling performance, and until you show steady sales, they might limit your product uploads. Think of it as a safeguard. They don't want newer sellers to flood the marketplace with too many items before proving their products are selling well. If that's what's happening in your case, the solution is a bit of patience. Amazon reassesses your selling history weekly, so as you continue to make sales, they'll lift these limits over time. In other words, keep focusing on selling what's already listed and watch for those restrictions to ease up as your sales grow. The second reason is more of a technical one, tied to the data you're entering about your products. This error code can pop up when there's a mismatch between your brand name and the UPC or other product identifier that you're trying to use. Amazon is incredibly strict about this. If the brand name on the listing doesn't match exactly with what's registered under that UPC or ASIN, they won't let you upload the product. A lot of sellers encounter this when they've purchased UPCs from third-party sellers or aren't using GS1 certified codes. Amazon prefers that you use GS1 certified UPCs that are correctly tied to your brand. If this is the case, you'll need to double-check all your product identifiers, including your UPCs and ASINs. If they don't match, you may need to correct your product data or even contact seller support to help resolve the issue. Also, if you're using flat files to upload your listings, be sure to check every field for errors. A small typo in your brand name or UPC can lead to this error, so it's critical that everything matches perfectly. Once you've cleaned up your data, try uploading in smaller batches to avoid triggering the error repeatedly. So, in short, if your sales history is the issue, focus on building up more sales. And if it's a data mismatch, double check that your UPCs, ASINs, and brand information all align properly. By understanding these two main causes, you can take the right steps to fix the error and keep your product uploads running smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.